Loomis Sales is organised as a series of different product teams. Each team is responsible for its philosophy and investment processes. The teams use firm-wide resources as inputs into their decision-making. One of these product teams is called Alpha Strategies, and it's responsible for multi-asset investing. Flagship product for this group is called the World Credit Asset. It's a multi-asset credit strategy that uses lots of different sources of credit and can invest into and out of different credit asset classes. Now, one of these asset classes is emerging market debt. Now, this is a top-down driven, go anywhere, total return approach to emerging market debt. It has a reference benchmark of 1/3 hard currency sovereign, 1/3 local currency sovereign, and 1/3 hard currency corporate.
We believe top-down regimes drive risk appetite and performance. It ultimately comes down to the credit cycle and two key points. Emerging markets tend to go through credit cycles faster than developed markets. 2, emerging market cycles tend to be highly correlated with developed market cycles. What matters are the external feedback loops through both the trade and financial channels. Markets tend to lead economic data that determine a country's position on that credit cycle anywhere between 1 and 6 months.
We seek to identify when and where investors are being potentially compensated to take EM risk based on value and momentum factors, because value has proven not to be a good timing tool in isolation. We use machine learning techniques to search for relationships between market variables and EM returns. Leveraging big data analytics, we believe our proprietary forecasting model is capable of detecting market patterns in 3 ways. First, the algorithm identifies instances in the past that represent similar trading environments as today. Second, it examines how EM prices reacted to random market variables in those similar trading environments. And third, it tracks how EM return streams shifted in the future. We use this information as it reflects today's trading environment to help determine where EM markets currently fall within their respective return distributions. At this point, artificial intelligence helps us position for a range of potential return outcomes based on dynamic variable inputs.
It's worth noting that while the strategy has a number of quantitative inputs, they are ultimately just inputs into what is a qualitative, judgmental approach based on the experience of the portfolio management team. The team is Peter and Andrea. They have a complementary background, they've been at Loomis for many years, and they've got a lot of experience to bring to bear. They are making decisions not in a void. They are using the full resources of Loomis Sales as well.